Are you looking for some of the best online resources that you can use to learn about email marketing? Either you are learning email marketing because for your business, maybe you have a business and you want to incorporate email marketing into your business or the services that you offer, or probably you want to start offering email marketing as a service. So you want to take it up as a service, not just for yourself, but as if maybe you want to become a freelancer and be offering email marketing services, and you're looking for the best resources or courses that can put you through, then you are in the right video, because in this video I'm going to be sharing with you some of the best online email marketing courses that comes with certificate. And to make it more interesting, because I'm going to be sharing with you are in-depth courses and they are free courses, so you don't need to pay anything to access this course. So once I share the course with you, you can just go ahead and get started immediately. So the course I'm going to be sharing with you, I'm going to be leaving a link to them in the description of this video so that you can get started immediately. So if that interests you, do make sure you watch the video till the end. Okay, so before we get into it, if you are new to this channel, PA Academy, or you are yet to subscribe, kindly take out time to click on the subscribe button. You'll find the subscribe button somewhere at the lower right of your screen if you are watching on the PC or on the desktop, or if you're on a mobile, you might just need to just check below the video. You see the option to subscribe, so kindly go below the video now and do that right now. It will just take you 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, so thank you very much if you have just done that. So with that, now let's dive into the video. Let's look at some of the best online courses that you can find on the internet right now that will give you the in-depth knowledge that you need in the world of email marketing. All right, so just a brief intro of what email marketing is. Now, there are chances that probably one of you watching the video might know what email marketing is all about. But let's just give ourselves a little understanding of what email marketing is. So it's this. If you come on Google now and just type what is email marketing, there are chances that you'll come up with a page like this. So from MailChimp, which is also one of the email marketing platforms that you'll find, email marketing is the use of email to promote products or services, as well as incentivize customers' loyalty. Exactly. So that's one simple definition there. Just like the word email marketing, you are making use of email to market a product or services. And in most cases, the end goal is actually to make sales. Exactly, to make sales, to generate leads. Exactly. And even the leads you are generating is also to convert them and to make sales or to make profit. Exactly. Okay, so now let's look at the courses one after the other. So the first one is this free course. It says Basic of Email Marketing. Now, let's just pick it from the fundamental, from the basic. So Basic of Email Marketing, it says learn how to use email to find customer, build your brand, and drive sales. Exactly. And these are the things that email marketing can do for you. With emails, you can use it to find customers, you can use it to build your brand, and most importantly, to drive sales. Exactly. So this is a basic course, and this is a course that comes highly recommendable. It says use email to drive direct marketing campaigns and share updates and product information. Can be effective if care is taken to create relevant autoresponders and opt-in lists. So you might be wondering what the meaning of autoresponder or opt-in list. Don't worry, all of these things are going to be explained in this video, because these are some terms that are associated with email marketing. Okay, so I don't want to just explain what they are in this video. Just once you take up the course, you're going to understand what all of those terms means. So it says this digital marketing course takes you through the 7 stages of setting up your email marketing plan and explain how to manage website traffic. Sign up to learn how to get subscribers, drive traffic, avoid being labeled as spam. Exactly. So if I should show you, let's just check one of my emails now. You can see that you can see option of spam, about 119 spam messages. Some of those messages are messages sent with email marketing messages. You understand? They are marketing emails, but unfortunately they landed in spam. And I'm sure if you also check your spam box, you also find emails there. So how do you send emails to make sure that these emails land in the receiver's inbox and not in their spam folder? So all of these are what we are going to be taught in this particular course, because if you send a mail and the mail is landing in spam, there are chances that person might not see it, and after some time it gets deleted. So you really need to go through this course so that you have all the information you need about what email marketing is and how to do it effectively. Okay, so this course, it has, as at time currently, it has almost 4,000 learners already enrolled. It's a 1 to 3 hours of learning course. Exactly. So what are you going to learn in this course? Identify suitable topics and create autoresponders to monetize your interest or expertise. So compare ways to create content to sell products and market brands. So explain how to create a list of email addresses for autoresponder messages. So also this course also focus more on the use of autoresponder, like it's been said here. So just a way of automating things for you. So those are some of the things you're going to learn. Now in the course module, it is divided into two, the module 1 and the module 2. So the module 1, 7 stages of email marketing. And these are the topics that you are going to be learning under the module 1, autoresponder, and picking topics, research your market, creating the content, crafting autoresponder messages, set up your website, opt-in list of email address, and then drive traffic to your site. So all of these are some of the information that you need to really give yourself that solid foundation as long as email marketing is concerned. And once you are done with module 1, you go straight to module 2 to take you to module 2, where you are going to have a course assessment. So after completing the course assessment, and then you are going to be getting your certificate. Exactly. So once you hit the pass mark, and then you'll be earning your certificate. And this certificate will also help you, especially if you are building a portfolio or as a digital marketer or as an email marketer. Exactly. So having certificate like this in your portfolio, your resume would go a long way to help you. So if you look at some of the reviews, say this course is easy to understand and gave me confidence that I too can build up autoresponder program for my business. So this to tell you that the person that took up this course actually took it up to help his or her own business. Exactly. Not basically to offer it as a service. So that's the beauty of it. So you can take up this course on email marketing either for yourself, for your business, your services, or probably you want to offer it as services to other businesses or to become a free email marketing freelancer. Exactly. So I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video. So once you come on this page, so to get started, just click on start course now. So you can either use this green button over here or you use the second button here, and then you can get started immediately. Like I said, this course is absolutely free. So this is the first one. Now let's look at the second one. So how to build successful email marketing campaign. Exactly. So let me also mention this, that all the courses I'm going to be sharing with you, there are actually 4 courses I'm going to be sharing with you. They are all under email marketing. However, each of these courses tend to address different areas of email marketing. So do make sure you take out time to watch all of them. Exactly. There are a lot of them, but I've streamlined it into 4 that I believe you actually need and will help you to kickstart that your email marketing knowledge that you actually need. Okay. So like the second one, how to build successful email marketing campaign. So here it says, learn how to market your product to a global audience quickly and easily in this free online marketing course. Okay, so these are the things you are going to learn. So in this course, it's going to explain the concept of email marketing, discuss how to set up perfect templates for your mails, describe how to create subscribers pop-up for your website. Exactly. Okay. So even if you are not familiar with some of these terms, because this is another term here, subscriber pop-up for your website. So in this course, I actually wanted to explain it, but there's no need. You're going to learn all of those in the course. So indicate how to set up a lead generation campaign on Facebook. And then, so if you look at what this course is going to put into, you can see that the previous course did not mention it. They focus more on autoresponder, exactly, and then which is another important area that you need. So here is also giving you more information on email marketing. Okay, so let's look at the course module. This is also divided into 2. So if you come here on this page and then you click this arrow, so these are the topics under it: how to start email marketing, email subscription and strategy, boosting opening and click-through rates. Exactly. So how can you send an email? Once your email have hit the receiver's inbox, what are some of those things that you need to actually do before sending out those emails such that they will want to open it? That's talking about the subject that you're going to use for your emails. What are some of the subjects that will trigger people to want to open it, and at the same time it will not trigger spam? So it's very important. So that's why you need this course. Email marketing best practice and techniques, and then a summary. So after which the module 2 is also a course assessment that will earn you a certificate. Exactly. So also once you come here and then you want to get started, just click on start course now. So now let's look at the third one. So here's the third course: master email marketing master email marketing automation with ChatGPT and ConvertKit. Exactly. So this is going to be making reference to ConvertKit. ConvertKit is one of the email marketing software. We have likes of ConvertKit, MailChimp, Aweber, GetResponse, and the like. So this is going to be using ConvertKit as an example for you. So yeah, it says, harness the power of ChatGPT and ConvertKit to write and grow your email list on autopilot. Exactly. So you can also use ChatGPT to create autoresponder. However, you don't just go ahead and copy it. Exactly. Don't just copy it. There are some things you need to tweak about the content that will be generated by ChatGPT so that it can be spam free, and then it will have that human feeling in it. So I believe this course is going to be putting you through all of those. So it says, in today's marketing space, email marketing remains a powerful tool for nurturing leads and driving conversion. So no doubt, email marketing is still working for businesses and services, and companies are also making use of it. They need people to also handle their emails and their email marketing side and their email marketing campaign. Okay, so that's where you can come in as offering email marketing services. Okay. So these are the things that you are going to be learning in this course. If you just align it in 6 bullets here. So, and these in the course modules: email marketing automation. So introduction to email marketing automation, building your lead magnets, generating real leads from with Facebook ads, creating your automated email sequence, and the likes. Okay. So this is the 3rd course, and it also comes with certificates. All of the courses I'm sharing with you, they all come with certificates after completion. So here is one of the reviews. It says, overall, it's so easy to understand, and from a complete beginner point of view, it's an easily understandable course. So if at all you are also a beginner, you can also take up this course. You are going to follow along. All right, so this is the 3rd one so far. Before we look at the last course that I'll be recommending, please, if you are finding value in this, please give it a thumbs up. Please give the video a thumbs up. And like I said, all the links, I'm going to be leaving them to the courses. I'll leave them in the description of this video. So once you come here, you can just click on Start Course Now, and then you have automatically started with the course, and it's absolutely free. All right, so now let's look at the last one. So the last one is Digital Marketing Overview. So I haven't checked the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, which focus more on email marketing. This is now taking you a little deep into not only email marketing but digital marketing as a whole. So because email marketing is a subset under digital marketing. I hope that is clear. So explore digital marketing as the AIDA marketing funnel and email marketing strategy with this free online course. Okay, so if you look at this course, that's about almost 50,000 learners already enrolled so far. And this is 4 to 5 hours of learning. So you should expect in-depth knowledge and in-depth information as long as digital marketing and email marketing is concerned. If you also look at the short description, it made mention of email marketing. So that is also covered as long as email marketing is concerned. So for this now, it's divided into 5 modules. So the first module, create digital marketing and sales funnel. So, and in creating sales funnel too, there are chances, in most sales funnel, you also need emails. Exactly. So you don't need to worry about that. Like I said, these are courses that I've taken out time to search and do the research and then sort out. Then email marketing with Wix. Okay, so how can you use Wix for your email marketing? Creating a great webinar, leading up to your webinar, and then a course assessment. So once you are here, and if you want to check out the course module itself, and you click on this arrow, you are going to see all of the topics under each of the course module. Okay, and then once you are done with it, and then you are done to module 5 and you complete the course assessment, you can come over here, and then you see an option to get your certificate of completion. Okay. All right, so it was a wonderful class. The teaching was really the teaching have really impacted my life positively. God bless all the teams and Allison. All right, so these are review from people that have completed this course. So if you also want to get started, so just follow the link in the description. Head over here and click on Start Course Now, and then you're on your journey to become an email marketing expert. All right. So I hope you find value in this video. These are the 4 courses that I want to recommend to you as long as email marketing is concerned. So you have no excuse. These are free courses. It won't cost you anything, but just your time and then your dedication, and then you are good to go. Okay. So with that, guys, I've come to the end of this video. Do make sure to subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, and thank you for watching the video to the end. And with that, I wish you good luck in your email marketing journey. Thank you.